Morning, happy Friday. This is Friday the 19th of June and it's Juneteenth. Today is a holiday. So happy Juneteenth. So I'm on my way to the prison job. No, we don't have it off. Today is the day that we honor all our fathers at work. So I'll be busy doing that. We're also doing a safety day, so we'll be working on safety stuff too. Isn't it exciting? I know. You love it. You gotta love it. We had a nice rain shower all night. Had a little bit of thunder, but nothing major. Not here. I'm not sure about other places around me. So I thought I would come on and talk just a minute. I did film, but I haven't put any of them public because after I would go back and watch them, I think, oh Lord, Vicki, just don't do it. I mean, it was just stupid stuff. You know, I'm boring. I have to admit, I know I'm boring. But anyway, just so you know, I went and had a chest x-ray. I do not have pneumonia or any kind of infection. The report said my lungs were clear. And there's that. Am I still coughing? Not quite as bad, but yes, I still have some coughing fits. I still have the drainage. I really believe now with all my heart it is allergies. And I guess my next step will be, if I want to try to get rid of it or get it better under control, is I go to an allergist. We'll see. I haven't heard from my primary care yet. I think she is on vacation. Still, she gets like a month's vacation, I guess. So, I really don't want to park at that parking place. I know that I shouldn't be so choosy, but I can't help it. I can't help it. I'm going to ride on down through here and see what I see. So, everybody can not worry about me. I'll be all right. Not that I really think that you were that worried. I mean, I guess some of you might be a little worried. Some of you might care. I mean, I hope a lot of you care, but I'm just being facetious now. So I wanted to come on and address something that I saw this morning of Timmy claiming that a troll sent him coffee. Now, why didn't I choose that parking place? Let's try to back up. Let's try to back up and see if I can get there. Cut it too soon, Vicki. All right. So he claims that a troll sent him coffee. Now, what troll would send him coffee? I think that he is trying to rage bait us. And all I'm going to say is this. I would not send this man coffee. Under any circumstances. I would not send him money for coffee. Under any circumstances. I guess I would if somebody was holding a gun to my head. But I don't think that's going to happen. Now, just so you know, there is a troll out there that is trolling, I think, the women, me and Rae and Grandma's pocketbook. I think they're trolling us. I saw they've been every name in the book. I have an idea who it is. I say he, I assume it's a he. He only does shorts. And I saw today one of them said that I was the one that sent the coffee. And I could have chosen not to address it. But just so you know, I'm going to insert my history of what I buy from Amazon regarding coffee, so you'll know I did not send it. I think he went and got the coffee himself and decided that he would, as I say, rage bait us. And I'm not raging or anything like that. I mean, I'm just laughing. To be honest with you, I think it's funny that he's that bothered by us, that he would go on and say that. Now, if for some reason someone did say that, you know, if he was to actually show the card, because I want to see the card, and it was to have my name on it or any insinuation of me, I want you to know right off the bat, I did not send him coffee, nor would I. And just so you know, I would never send him McDonald's coffee, because you'll see in my history, I don't believe I've ever bought McDonald's coffee from Amazon. And if I did, it would probably be in K-cups. Now, I do buy ground coffee for work. And if I want to mix some things and use my little, because I use a K-cup, I use a Keurig, and mix coffee together in the, you know, the cup that you can put ground coffee in, I might do that. But you'll see the majority of the coffee that I have bought, especially in the past year, has been Don San Francisco, or whatever it is. Don Francisco, I think what it is. Because I love that coffee. And I think it's one of the best out there. Now, some people may not, but I do. And it may come from the same bin that, because what I've read is McDonald's and Folgers and Maxwell House and the Donut Shop and probably some others all come from the same place. And I wouldn't be surprised if that wasn't the case. You know, and it's all the same coffee. I mean, there might be some tweaks here and there, but not enough to worry about it. So, oh, Dunkin' Donuts comes from there too. I'm sorry. But now, I have always thought that Dunkin' Donuts coffee is a little sweeter. And I still say they put some kind of, just a little tad of sweetener in there. But I could be wrong, because I don't work in coffee. I guess it could be in my head. So, I did order something from Amazon. And I forgot to open it last night. And, you know, since I have cognitive decline, sometimes I forget. Especially if it's not coming overnight. Oh, I know what it is. It's squished. It's this new Mixsoon, sorry, PDRN Collagen Tinted Moisturizer. It's got 30 on there, so I'm assuming it's SPF 30. But they probably can't market it as that because of it being probably using something that we can't, that's not approved by the FDA as a sunscreen. I know that the FDA did approve one of the Asian and European chemical sunscreens, but there's still several they need to approve. Now, I know this is supposed to have PDRN, and it's supposed to be vegan PDRN. Just so you know, it's not actually coming from salmon. Now today, I've got on something else. Of course, because I just opened this. But this is what it looks like. I got shade. Maybe that's the shade. 30. Okay, I'm going to say that's the shade 30. There is an expiration date, 2029. So I don't think there's any sunscreen in here. If there is, there's not enough to... I would not use this as a sunscreen only. I would never use a tinted moisturizer as my only sunscreen. Just putting it out there. But I am going to put this on my hand. I want to see what it feels like. Should I shake it? No, I don't think I should. I want to see how close I got to my shade. Because, you know, it's coming in Korean colors. All right, there you see it. It's a little warm, but that's all right. I don't mind that. Yeah, it's mixing in. You can barely tell, probably. Well, I mean, you can. But now it is going matte. So just so you know, this is not going to be, I don't think this is going to be for dry skin. All right. There you have it. I'm not going to leave it in the car since it's going to be hot today. And I don't think I have anything else to say because I don't want to make this so long. It's already 11 minutes long. 11:25. So I hope everyone has a great weekend. I don't know that we'll do anything this weekend. You know, it's getting closer to when I'm supposed to go on vacation. And I don't need to spend any money. And if I go out, I tend to spend money that I shouldn't spend. Because I don't want to have to go on vacation and have to watch every penny. Now, there is a possibility that I won't go on vacation. Dave's mom has been in and out of the hospital. So, we'll see how it goes there. I think I can cancel up to 4 days before we're supposed to leave, so we won't get charged for one night. So, hopefully, she's on the mend and everything will be fine and we'll get to go. You know, I always start to panic around vacation time because it's just the way my life has been the past 10 years of worrying about something happening and not being able to go. This is going to be a little longer trip than what we normally go. So that's probably playing into my anxiety too, because y'all know I'm a homebody. And I only like to do day trips most of the time, or just go somewhere that is within 3 to 4 hours time. This is further. So I'm a little antsy. But I know I just need to stop. I know I need to stop. All right, y'all, I'm going to work. Y'all have a great day. Love you. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you. And I'll talk to y'all later. Love you. Bye.